Check out this stunning record player by Annesburg. They have really outdone themselves with this machine. It sounds amazing. You know when you have a record player or like a Bluetooth speaker and the sound sounds like it's coming at you? This is the type of speaker that fills the room with the music instead of the music being just projected at you. You really feel it. Like, they did an amazing job with this record player. Now this is going to fit your 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch, and it does have the 45 adapter that's going to come with it. We'll go ahead and open up the dust cover here. I really love the wood grain on here. You can see I already have a record on it. I wish I could play it for you, but copyright reasons I cannot do that. We have the felt on top. Place that back on there. So right here we have our volume knob, and then also the selector for a 33 or a 45 are also Bluetooth. So it is really cool that you could also play Bluetooth music through this speaker. Just connect it to your phone and you can play whatever's on your phone, or you can use it as a record player. So I have it selected at 33. We'll go ahead and turn it on here. Lift our little safety arm off of there, and then when I lift up, you can see it's ready to go. Hover it over the record like that, and then lower my arm, and then we're playing some music. We'll go ahead and put it back for now. Put our little safety latch on, turn the music down. You can see it is counterbalanced very well, and it's fully adjustable. So if it does start to lose that balance a little bit, you can fine tune it exactly where you want it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the machine here. I'm going to close our dust cover. I'm going to unplug it, turn it around so you can take a look at all of our connections here. So we have our DC port in, that's going to be our power, and then we also have the options for phono or line out, and we can adjust that with a quick little toggle. And then we have our auxiliary in. If you didn't want to use Bluetooth, or maybe you have something that is not Bluetooth compatible, but you still wanted to play it on here, you could use your auxiliary cable right here. So this right here is really cool. We have our left and right audio output. This machine already gets amazing sound quality just as it is. Say you have some bigger speakers that you want to connect to this, you can do it. And those speakers might not be Bluetooth compatible, but once they're connected to this, they are now Bluetooth compatible, which is really cool. So a lot of amazing functions with this machine here. Overall, I would 100% recommend this record player. I've been having a blast messing around with it, putting different vinyls on there, cranking it up. It sounds so good, and I appreciate Annesburg sending this record player out to me to do a review on. I have really enjoyed it, and I am going to be using this a lot.